This is the final update for the Supertunia Mini Vista Yellow, which is the 2025 annual of the year. We're in the middle of September, temperatures have started to cool down and things are looking beautiful. I have roughly 20 to 25 of the Mini Vista Yellows planted in this area, along with the Supertunia Vista Jazzberry. There's the Vista Snowdrift and the Angelonia Angel Face White. I just am beyond thrilled with the performance of this plant. It has looked like this since it was planted. I mean, just tons of color until this moment where it absolutely looks like a shrub of an annual. What we've done to keep these plants looking like they do, we spray them with BT once a week. Any Supertunia or Superbells on our property, we do have to do that with because we have budworms in our area, which they eat the buds of the plants and they make your plant just green. No flowers. The plant looks healthy, but there's no flowers. And then we also fertilize on a weekly basis with the water-soluble fertilizer from Proven Winners, which has the addition of the EDDHA chelated iron, and it keeps the leaves nice and deep green. But you almost don't even see the leaves because the flower to leaf ratio is just insane. They just look like big masses of color, and I could not recommend these varieties enough.